If you're looking to become a licensed motor vehicle salesperson in Ontario, you're in the right place. OMVIC is the regulator of motor vehicle sales, and we're here to help you get registered. OMVIC enforces the Motor Vehicle Dealers Act and protects car buyers by ensuring a fair, transparent marketplace. If you're trading vehicles in any way as part of a business, you must be registered with OMVIC. That includes dealers and any employee who sign contracts or handle trades or paperwork, such as managers and salespeople. Operating without a license can result in fines starting at $5,000 as well as other penalties, including incarceration. Here's how you can become a registered salesperson in 3 steps. Okay, so step 1, you need to complete the Automotive Certification Course offered by Georgian College. This course covers key laws, ethics, and disclosure requirements. You can study online or in person, and you'll need to pass the final exam with a grade of 80% or higher. Then, you have 2 years after passing to apply for your OMVIC registration. If you've completed within the last 2 years, you don't need to take it again. Step 2 is getting a background check. You'll need a criminal record and judicial matters check from your local police, or you can order a background check through a third-party background check provider. Remember, background checks must be less than 6 months old at the time of your application. Step 3 is submitting your application. Apply through OMVIC's online portal. You'll need to upload a government-issued photo ID, proof of your eligibility to work in Canada, and a background check report. Salesperson applications take up to 30 business days to process. Once approved, your registration is valid for 2 years unless there are any changes to your registration. A courtesy renewal reminder notice will be sent out before it expires. However, it is your responsibility to renew. If you miss your renewal, you may need to reapply with a late fee. If you're ready to get started, visit the OMVIC website, create your online account, and submit your application. If you have any questions or difficulties in filing the application online, please contact our registration support team. We're here to help you every step of the way.